Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be dedicated to the Griot's Garage headlight cleaner. So we're going to see if it really does work. And we're going to use it on the Boxster because they are so yellow and oxidized. We're going to try it out and see how it works. Step 1 is coming up. Okay, so the first big step, which is a real pain in the buttocks, is to tape off the area that you don't want to get scratched by the film remover. So it's harder than it looks with all these twists and turns. And the reason I even have these goofy covers on here that look like that is because right underneath here there is a giant crack that came off of an 18-wheeler. And I mean, this happened years ago, and I just put those covers on there, and I intended to buy new headlamps, but that never came to fruition. And if this doesn't work, I probably am going to get new headlamps for this Boxster. After all, it is a 1999, and I've had it all this time. So we'll see what Griot's Garage does for us. Okay, so we're going to take the scrubbing towel and do this in a scrubbing fashion as such, and do this for a little while, and then we'll move to step 2. Okay, and after you finish scrubbing with the oxidation remover film, it says to rinse off thoroughly and to let it dry completely. So we're in the drying stage right now, so we'll see what happens. I can kind of tell just a little bit that it's taken some of the yellow away just doing step 1. So we shall see. Now for our next step, we're going to take the 1000 grit sander from the Griot's Garage, and we're going to scrub down with using the water bottle. We're going to do this for 3 to 4 minutes in a non-circular motion. Just even motion for 3 to 4 minutes until the yellow starts coming off, and then we're gonna keep squirting it with the water bottle and letting that slide off, and we'll see what that looks like. And this is what it's supposed to look like after the 1000 grit. Now we're gonna switch to the 2000 grit and repeat the process. Now, moving on to 3000 grit. And before we apply the final step, the ceramic headlight coating, we have to make sure that the headlight is cloudy, uniformly cloudy, which looks pretty uniformly cloudy to me, except maybe that one spot right there that we'll redo because it has to be uniformly cloudy. If there's any shiny or clear left in the headlamp. We're supposed to repeat the steps again, so we'll do that one tiny spot, and then we will do the final step. Okay, we are about to complete the final step here, and this is what it comes out looking like. I don't know what the heck all that stuff is, but that's what it looks like. So we shall try. Actually, I have a lot of Griot's products and they never let me down. They're all really good. So yeah, I highly recommend all the Griot's products that I've bought. And you know, you ask yourself, why is it so expensive? Well, the proof is in the product. It's really good. Griot's Garage is worth the money. Well, my opinion is, all in all, I think that looks at least 90% better than it looked before. Here's the one that I haven't done. Totally yellow. And here's using Griot's product. So, yeah, I like it. Griot's Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit for severe oxidation. 2 thumbs up. Yeah, man, I definitely recommend this. Didn't take too long, but looks a heck of a lot better to me. And yeah, definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching the channel, and please subscribe.